Hello fishing fans, and welcome back to another video. This video is the 5th part to my new boat series. Although our boat isn't very new anymore, these clips are from last year when it was still rather new. These clips are also from a day that was pretty successful, meaning I caught plenty of fish. So much, in fact, I'm splitting this one trip into 2 different videos. I'm planning on posting the second part sometime in early February. Other than that, I hope you enjoy this video. Is that one? Yeah, I think that's one. I can't tell. It's coming in, whatever it is. Yeah, there's one. Nice. He's not bad. Really isn't.
No, not bad at all.
Here, I'll bring him in.
Pretty decent.
Nice.
It's a decent
Where's my camera going too? Do you think that's a pound and a quarter maybe?
Oh, it's a little bit better than that, I think.
Nice. And I have my cam going, so that's even better nice. Remember, you gotta dig deep into the scale so it works. There. He's a long fishy too. 1.41, just under half a pound. Oh, he's shook. He's unhappy. He's an angry guy. Alright. Let's get him back. He is gone. Well, it's not that bad. It's just the wind, in my opinion. There's one. No, he shook me.
Oh, he did the standard jump, Jake. He's a genius. He's a genius.
No.
He did this thing.
He hit that as soon as it hit the water, practically.
All right.
But then I don't know, I didn't have the best hook set.
Well, see, I told you you were going to get another one at the spillway. I just didn't realize it was going to get off.
Well, see, he jumped before I got the, like, I still had the rod tip up from setting the hook when he jumped. I don't get why I can't catch fish. Why I can't bring them in. However, though, I don't think that one was as big as the 1.41. Actually, if I do get enough video... Yes, sir! Yes, sir, this one's better. This one's better. He's fighting. He wants up. He wants up. I ain't letting him. I ain't letting him. Okay, maybe he's not. Never mind. He just had some weed or something. I can boat flip him.
Yeah. He's got some length to him.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. Don't. I can't do anything. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. I can't do anything to get him because it's underneath again.
Yeah.
This,
Did he? Maybe that's why I felt so big, because he
Yeah.
swiped at it and somehow missed. Gotta be careful. Don't want to get hooked.
He's got some length, yeah. I would agree with that.
Not on. 1.25.
1.25 on the button.
1.25 exactly.
Release from the hooks. Nice,
He's a
pretty
little-
fish.
Got a little
Nice and
blood
healthy.
on him though on the side, but
Oh, yeah?
I think he's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, roll back. Well, as I'm getting a new worm, just a quick little recap. I've gotten 2 fish, and I've hooked 2 that have gotten off, and I've had a couple bites where they didn't really take it and just spat it out right away. So, hasn't been too terrible, to be honest. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, this guy's fighting hard. This guy's fighting good. Stay on. Stay on. Stay on. I'm just gonna... He's pulling some drag.
Really?
He's not too bad. Not huge. Oh, he's barely hooked. We gotta be careful.
Barely hooked.
Be careful, Fats. Be careful, Fats. Get him.
Oh, he's hooked pretty good.
He is?
Yeah.
Oh, from what I saw, it looked like that he was barely hooked.
It's on the lip, but it's through the thickest part.
He's not that bad. He's fat.
Yeah. I don't think you're gonna beat your weight again, though. Yeah, he nipped at that, that's for sure. He's nipped at it.
Number 3. Yes, sir.
Certainly didn't swallow it.
Not on, Fats.
It was.
What?
It's the same fish, Tyler.
I caught the same fish.
Tyler, you caught the
1.41.
same fish.
I caught the same fish.
It's the same one. Put a name or tag on him.
I might as well.
It's the same fish, kid.
Okay, he gotta go back. Nice fishy. Buddy, you're unhooked. You can leave. He just sat there for a little bit. He didn't realize that he was unhooked.
Is that stuff out there? Look at them all.
There's one. Nice. He's not that big. No, he's not. He turned. Where's he going?
Under the boat.
He ain't getting there.
He's gone.
No, he ain't. Oh, he's got it down. Oh, never mind. No, he doesn't. Or he kind of does. He gurgled that.
Yep,
He wanted it.
gurgled it.
He wanted it. However, I think it's curled, so it's not actually down that far.
Jumping all over the place today, Tyler.
Yeah, they sure are. Well, that's number 4 for me. Nice little tiny fishy. Nice.
Like it doesn't need to hit.
Come on. Come on. Come on. It's like it's not hungry, but it sees it. But it's not hungry.
No. Just reeling harder and harder and harder.
There's one. Hey, we're doubling up.
Oh,
Yours gurgled it, but we're doubling up. Mine didn't. Mine's easy. Ow. Yours is bigger, though.
yay. Mine is bigger.
Okay. I'm gonna send little Squirt here back to his home. There you go, bud. There you go. Nice. Number 5. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's see if we can pull that back in. Yep, we can. Nice. You got yours too? Is he good?
Yeah, he's fine.
Nice. Yeah. You might want to back up a little bit because there's that lay down there. I don't know if you casted on it where you got that one, but...
He just gobbled it.
Mine hit.
Mine gobbled it and started swimming sideways.
Wait, I think I got another one.
What?
Yeah, that's another one. Nice. Nice. Nice.
That'll be about enough of that crap.
I think that's number 6, right?
I don't know. Write this down.
Well, it's like we'll just have to go back through my video and see. He's hooked all over the place, but he should be easy to get slobbered on.
Yeah, it's easy to get slobbered on. You got it.
Little Squirt.
Just made a gooey mess out of me and the boat.
Oh! Why'd Little Squirt do that? There's one. Yes, sir. Dang, got that underside hooking.
I was down only one.
Well, now you're down by 2 again. 7. You're gonna have to, like, be careful not to get hooked.
Yeah, this sucks.
Nice fishy. I'm gonna put him back. Where'd he go? There he gone.
Flew out of here. He had places to be.
Little Squirt that really likes to hit hard.
Yeah.
Gotta fix my worm. Well, Fab's catching a Fushi. Now he's only behind by 1 again. This makes me angry. Gotta fix my bolt right here. It's sliding up. Little dude got hooked all over the place.
He had all 3 hooks in him. He was not coming loose. I may have a worm problem now. But did you get yours or what?
Yeah, I fixed mine. Mine's good.
Alright, now I'm down by 1 again?
Yep.
Okay, that's good.
That was number 6 for you, right? And now I have number 7 not too long ago. There's one. Right away. Right away. Right away. Right a freaking way. There's number 8.
He's a long one.
Yeah, that's what I was just about to say. He's a long one. Number 8. Let me get my GoPro here.
Might need to.
There's fishies flopping behind us too.
I need to fix that hook.
He is a long dude. That is for sure. Long fishy. Very long fishy. Nice one too.
Yeah, nice and healthy.
Okay, he can go back. He gotta go back to his clan. There.
Oh no.
What? he's in there thick.
He's in there thick. Yeah, I don't think it's big, but he's in there thick.
Oh, I saw him. Little squirt. Little squirt.
Not a little squirt.
Yeah, that I don't know if that's a little squirt.
That's not a little squirt.
That
That'll be the winner.
That's not a little squirt.
That's the winner.
That's a nice fishy.
Yep, that's a nice fish.
That makes up for losing that lure.
Yep.
This starts to make up for it, though. Do you think that's...
Pound and 3/4.
I'm guessing 1.8. That's my guess, 1.8.
Might be out of luck. $1.8.
Guess what I said?
1.8?
Yeah, I said 1.8.
Alright, we better get him in the water before I hit. Good? Ready?
Log! 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 Oh, he wanted it. He wanted it. He really wanted it. He really wanted it. No, that fish hit. This dude hit. And he hit. I don't know if he's not that big, but he hit. Oh, he's decent. Deb.
Ooh.
Try to be careful. This guy getting off. He's what I want. Yes. Yes. Dang, that's a fatty. Come on, beat him. Come on, beat him. Come on, beat him. Dang it. That's only 1.74?
Yep.
Dang it.
Sadness for you.
Oh my god, dude. This thing's big. This is a chunk. This thing's a chunker. Can I get a pick? Dang, this is a chunker. This is a chunker. If I've ever seen a chunker.
Nice fish.
Yes, it is. It sure is. Okay.